Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So one of my subscribers asked me how could she do a middle part without a closure. So today I'm going to kind of show her one way to do it. As you can see, I use my concealer to mark where I want the middle part at. And what we're going to do today is an invisible part. This is the hair that I'm using. I reviewed this hair and it's a 10-inch. So since this is just for, educational purposes, I'm really not going to start from the bottom. I'm going to start like midway. But of course, if you're doing this to your own head, you might want to start at the bottom so you can have a more fuller look. But what I'm going to do is just lay the tracks until I get a tiny U shape at the top of her head. Now, to do an invisible part, you can do it with any color hair that you want to. To me, in my opinion, it looks way better and more natural when using black or brown hair. That's just my opinion, but yeah. Alright, so once you get done and you get to the top, it should look like this. As you can see, the middle part is there. And what I'm going to do is measure the little space on each side, just like this. And I'm going to place the tracks going forward. Now, when some people do invisible parts, they slant them. For me, I learned that it works better and it looks better if I just do it going straight down instead of slanting it. And what I normally do as well is split the tracks. If you don't want to split the tracks, you can just do it like I'm doing it and just, simply cut the tracks, put some glue on the tracks and cut it, and then just place it. Now you're placing the tracks right behind each other. That's what's going to make it look more natural. You don't want to place them on top of each other, but literally directly behind each other. So what I like to do once I get started with one side, I just go ahead and start on the other side. So basically I do a little on one side, a little on the other side, and I do the exact same way. Now with this, I should have used, like, I think they have white bond glue, but this is the gray the black bond glue. But if you're gonna do blonde, I think you should definitely use a blonde or a white bond glue. The black that you see coming from underneath is just like a little plastic bag that I put to protect her hair. But as you can see, it's coming along pretty well. And as you start to go back, you'll see how it works on the sides. It's going to fill in. You're not going to have to worry about covering any of the tracks that's on the side. Now, this is the method that will allow you to do a middle part without using the actual lace closure. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. Um, so yeah, once you get however far you want your part, you're just going to create a closure just like this. This is not a lace closure, it's just like a finishing top closure. Sometimes this comes with your hair. If not, you can just ball it up in a little, well, roll it up in a little circle and then add some glue to it, and it's just gonna finish off the top part of your invisible part wig. And then what I'm using is my Got2b glue spray just to make it flatter, because you do not want a cone head, ladies. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just pressing it down, making it really flat so that it will look nice and neat. Okay, and so once I was done, this is how it looks. I hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.